All right, fellow pyros. I was thinking about coming out and doing part two of my stash. I am out in a hot ass shed, so I'm going to try to make it as fast as possible, but there's a lot of product to go over here. Here's an overview of what's in here for right now. All right. So don't mind this. This is going to a buddy of mine. All right. What are you laughing about? Sorry, my girlfriend's laughing at me. All right. So down here, let's get started. This is good. There's a case of Fat Cat. Have a case of Bad Kitty. 2 cases of Twisted Vision. 1 case of Jailbird. I have 3 boxes of the Snake Bite crackers. 5 boxes of the Gangster crackers. 5 boxes of the MAGA. 3 cases of Double Bang. Up here I have the Voodoo assortment times 2, and then on top of that is the Looney Bin assortment. Moving over this way, have the Ring of Power Salute rockets. They're not very large ones, I think like 1-inch head on it, but still pretty good. Arc Angle, just discovered this one. We shot this the other night, got it in a demo. It is amazing. I love it. It's got 2 crackle at the end of the finale. It's got 2 crackles that fall down in the sky and are actually 2 salutes to finish it. Really surprised me. It's good. I have 1 case or 2 cases of We the People. 2 cases of One-Eyed Willie. Got 2 cases of Marvel's Revenge. 1 case of Pissed Off Patriot. Traded half of that case to someone. Shout out to him. He knows who he is. 2 cases of the Ha Ha. There's a couple more Bad Kitties. These Flying Bugs. These are stickless rockets. I like them. They're pretty fun. Cool to play, novelty to play with. I have 1 of the Super Blitz left. Basically another stickless rocket. I have 2 of the Jester assortments. What is that? 4 packs of the Mega Willow rockets. Love Potion number 9 fountain. Really good fountain. Shoots really high. I don't know what, maybe 20 feet, something like that, but really nice. I'd love to have more of those. I have 1 Abita left. Just picked up the Master of the Universe. 100 shots. FTW. 49 shot. Live Evil. Another 49 shot. More of the Arc Angle. Have a case of Neon Sky. 2 cases of Master Bugs Around. Great effect. Look like fireflies. Illusion, Meltdown, Psychedelic. Bought 2 of those assortments. I have 5 of the Chronic, 42 shot. And 1 case of Tough Guy. Coming over here, I got 3 Boo Berries, 2 of the Frankenberry, 2 of the Carmella Creeper, 4 of the Civil War, 72 shot, super heavy cake. 4 America, A Country So Great, even its haters won't leave. Love the name. I have never seen that shot. I couldn't find a video on YouTube, so
Might have to
Kind of
demo.
anxious to see what it looks like. What?
Might have to demo that one.
Yeah, probably demo it soon. Not sure. Men in Black. Those tubes rock. They are super loud. All salute. I mean, one salute in each one, but extremely loud. Love them. They're hitters. 2 cases of the Venom. Beautiful color in those. 1 each of the M&M. Got the Master July 4th A. Got a B tucked in here and another A. 2 of the Iceman 100 shots. Really cool wrap. Really good performance. And then tucked down there is Midnight Caller. A lot of blue. Lovely cake. Love it.
That's mine, yeah.
Case of the snake bites. 36 shot ones. Got a Mad Hatter down there. 2 Snitches Get Stitches. 8 Blood Money cakes. Another heavy cake. Over here is the Insanity, I believe, assortments. 100 shot each cakes, 4 of them. 2-1 Midnight Toker, 80 shots apiece. Down here is a Master American Dream, 2-1. Anxious to shoot those. I believe this is called Maiden. Not positive. If you guys know, drop it in the comment section if you would. 2 of these Minotaur 36 shot cakes, another heavy cake. BTK. 2-1 Griffin. Up here, have some radioactive rockets. I only got 3 packs of those left. Got 6 packs of the Rocket Man, 6 or 7. Up here is some strobe rockets. They're pretty good. They are consumer rockets, so for what it is, they're pretty good. 2 the Bombshell peanut cakes, very heavy. Thunder Willow, love that cake. Love anything with willows in it. And then I got 4 of these Draken, the Golden Dragon cakes. Each side of this has a different wrap, so this is pretty cool. So here's the shells I have. Case of Master 8. Case of the Majin Buu tucked in there. Case of the 8-inch King Cobras. Only have 1 8-inch Loco. I wish I had more of those. 2 boxes of Jokers left. Case of the Super 7s. I have 4 boxes of the Arthur Rossi specials. Those are consumer, but they're really nice. I would recommend them by Hammer and Anvil. Classic Excalibur Platinums. Exterminator box. 24 of them. Annihilation, 24. 6-inch by Miracle. And those are the smaller cakes and the shells. So back here, tucked in the corner, is all my big boards. Revelation, Sky King, The Beast, Double FKS, Master Opera. I have a 100 shot Ineffable sitting on top of that. Then Bite of Death, SpaceX, Kieran, my favorite wrap of all time. Love the design on that. Aftershock. And way back in this corner, have a Megatron, Puff Puff Pass, Big Top, and Duality. Great cake, mixed boar cake. Let me step back here. I'm kind of caught up. Sorry, fellas. Sorry about the camera work. All right. My 1-1s. Got a Weapon X, Avada Kedavra. Have a Holy Diver out here. Master, All Color, All Thunders. Wonderland. This right here, Master All Colors. Beautiful colors up to All Salute. Love it. A Rebellion, have 2 of those. Alter Ego. Tucked back in here. 2 Prey. Huge cake. Got a Dirty Little Sailor. That's one of the Resurrection. I have another one somewhere. Then up here, Mastermind, Black Magic, Snowblind, 2 Tears of Gold, Odin, Time Seeker, super heavy cake. Another Holy Diver tucked back in there. I don't know what's back here. What's back here?
Ready to Roll.
Ready to Roll's back there.
Another Holy Diver. 2 Admirals.
2 of the Admiral.
2 of the Color Infinity.
2 Color Infinities.
A Ripping.
Ripping.
There's 2 Crowning the Kings.
Down here is Dragon Wings. Life. Another Master All Color, All Thunder. Dragon King. Other Resurrection. Sin City, I got 2 of those. I don't know where the other one is. Obviously hidden. Gangstein. Got a Kraken back there. Again, don't know what's back there. I'm not going to pull all that shit out.
Master
It's super
Sky
heavy.
Orange.
Master Sky Orange.
Ripping was on there too.
So why are you saying it twice?
I don't know. I didn't know if you remember the first time.
Got a Rebellion down there.
Lost Soul.
There's the other Sin City. The Admiral. Again. War Pigs. There's one of the Color Infinities. Midnight Madness. Not the other Mastermind. I got a little... I have the Tiger up there. Small, but it's pretty good. An Invader. That's right there.
You got 2 of the Crowning the Kings if you didn't hear
2 of
that.
the Crowning the King somewhere.
Lost
I believe
Soul.
it's in there. Lost Soul was tucked away in there somewhere.
Vengeance.
Got a Vengeance. I think
Cookie
it's
Monster.
400 shots. I got a Cookie Monster back in there.
Falls from Heaven.
I got 2 Blizzard of Oz's tucked away somewhere. Nosferatu. Pharaoh, love that cake. Illuminati, love that one. Crazy Train. Boogeyman, it's only 100 shots, but All Willow, super high. Shoots it super high. And in between, like at 50, it's all salutes, a round of salutes, and then starts over with double breaks of Willows until the end, final salute.
There's a Falls from Heaven.
There's a Falls from Heaven back in
Bad
there.
Bitch.
Bad Bitch.
Couple of Invaders. Outcast.
Yeah, I got an Outcast somewhere.
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man.
2 of the
Pac-Man's
For the
down
Love of
there.
Pyro.
And Mount down there's For the Love of Pyro. Got 2 of those.
I think that's all on the list.
I think we said Master Sky Orange is 2
Yeah.
turbos up there. Right here is some of the pro cakes I got. 1 Bad MF, 2 of them. I think there's 1 in this one, and then there's 2 in this one. Sidorak, the Predator, the Cascade, all raccoon. Up there is Rockio. The Golden Age, beautiful cake. Thunderstrike. And down here is Neon Dynamo. Beautiful colors. I want to say look like Cressettes, sorry. But I don't believe they are Cressettes. But it reminds me of it when it breaks. And then this is the case of 100 shot red, white, and blue tail to Truno.
From waiting.
I'm going to use as a finale at the end of the finale. And that, my fellow pyros, is about it. Again, this is my stash so far this year. Up there is some of my equipment. But yeah,
Rex.
appreciate any comments you might have. Drop them in there. And I guess I'll wrap it up with, hope you guys have a great 4th of July. This is the 250th. Should be awesome. Everyone's psyched about it. I'm psyched, I know that. So yeah, with that, be safe and have a happy 4th. We will catch up with you later. See ya.